How to deactivate Messenger account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messenger application on your phone. You will then be brought to the main Messenger feed. Once here, tap the menu icon in the top left, and then tap the settings gear icon. On the settings page, scroll down and tap on See More in Account Center. Here, select Personal Details, and then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now, tap on Deactivation or Deletion, and select your Facebook account. The Deactivate account option is selected by default. Now, tap on Continue. After re-entering your password, you must select a reason for deactivating. Then, tap on Continue. On the next page, scroll down and tap Continue again. Finally, review the information and tap the Deactivate My Account button to complete the process. Following these steps, you can easily deactivate your Messenger account on iPhone.